Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a common problem that MacBook users might encounter. Picture this. You've got your shiny new NOV 2023 MacBook Pro running Sonoma 14.2.1, and you're playing around with internet sharing settings. You set up sharing from Ethernet to devices using Wi-Fi, but then you hit a snag. The problem arises when the Wi-Fi channel choices suddenly disappear from the drop-down menu, leaving you stuck on a slower default channel 11. Frustrating, right? Now onto the solution. After trying various troubleshooting methods like rebooting and disabling Wi-Fi to no avail, our user decided to take a different approach. They upgraded to 14.3 and even delved into NVRAM settings, plist files, and SQLite files with no luck. Then, a light bulb moment booting in safe mode miraculously fixed the channel selection issue. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most effective. Huh? Problem solved. In summary, we tackled a pesky Wi-Fi channel selection problem on a NOV 2023 MacBook Pro running Sonoma 14.2.1. By upgrading to 14.3 and booting in safe mode, our user was able to restore the missing channel choices and bid farewell to slow default channels. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep those devices running smoothly.